Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at Bitcoin paired with USD on the 4-hour chart. I'm only going to look at this time frame. Look at this balance area down here. We've traded down into it. All right, so big level of support on the 4-hour time frame. I don't want to get involved here. It's looking pretty bearish, but we've got all this here to contend with at the moment. So I think for me, I'd keep an eye on the stock markets. If you see the US 100 sell off, which it is at the moment, and continue to do so, if further weakness comes into the stock market, we should see strength come into the dollar, and I'm expecting Bitcoin paired with the dollar to drop off, being a risk asset as it is. So here's the thing with this. We've got this accumulation on the 4-hour. It's traded back down to it, looking to rebalance. Now, what we do have here is a break of structure, bearish break of structure, and I like this price action where we see this lower low, lower high setup. We've got this bearish distribution level here, 4H, and this level through here, pick that up. But what's important with this is a couple of things. I'll explain that. We've got the 4H. Have a look at this. I'll grab my pencil. See this thin candle here? We have this imbalance, price gap. And my question is, does this trade back up looking to rebalance? So the market's looking for a couple of things, right? It's looking for liquidity for one thing, and it's looking to rebalance. Now, if we think about it from a liquidity standpoint, we've got retail traders short here, stop losses above, stop losses all through here. Okay, so this is a liquidity pool that could be attractive to the big players. If they want to short this, they're going to need to tap into that, and then we're away to the races kind of thing. So just keep in mind that there's a ton of liquidity sitting above at the moment, and the market could look to trade back up, rebalance. Now, with that in mind, we're looking here at a downtrend 4-hour, and my rule of thumb, what do we got here, 4H? My rule of thumb is what I just explained. And if you're looking at this from a Fibonacci perspective, if you pull the fib from the high to the low, whoops, I've done the wrong thing. Hang on. Grab the fib, high to the low. I want to show you this. See this thin candle where my mouse's cursor is? I'm just going to pick up the candle to the left and the candle to the, here, but now here. If we pull that through, mark that up. This is the imbalance that I'm talking about. It's a bearish imbalance. Just call it a price gap, 4H. For those of you who don't know what that is, I'll just very briefly explain it. We have support and resistance levels. I think most people understand that. So this you would regard as resistance. This level you would regard as support, right? But what you get is this range through here where there's more or less an even number of buy and sell orders in the order book, okay, through these levels. Sideways trading, ranges, so a balance of orders, so balance area. So then when we break out of this, this is an imbalance bearish. And the majority of the orders through here are short. So it's a bearish imbalance. So the market is going to look to rebalance. It'll look to trade back through these levels, and it's going to look for liquidity, stop hunts, all that kind of thing. So with the fib, we got this trend, and then we got the fib 618 to 786 zone or level zone coincides beautifully with this 4-hour price gap. Look at that. So I think my thing would be, if we see this trade back up in through here, let's grab that, something like that, I'd be interested in layering in through here, staggering some sell orders. If you're not in front of the charts, that's one way to do it. Or if you're in front of the charts, watch it, see it trade up, hit resistance, and see if it rolls over and sets up a trend, like we get a break of structure bearish after a bullish move. Hope that makes sense. I will look at it on a 5 or 3 minute chart, even a 1 minute chart. If it does trade back up into these levels, I'd be looking for a short opportunity. So guys, that's my take on Bitcoin. Click the links below. Give me a thumbs up, comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. Join me in Telegram. The link is below. We'll see you in the next one.